collecting high-quality contact data. Hey there, folks! Now that you know that you can segment your subscribers according to their attributes, we would like to show you a way to take segmentation to the next level: contact data collection. Data collection is easier to do than it sounds, and you'll only have to program additional data fields into your sign-up forms. These additional data fields will allow you to better target your subscriber with highly personalized campaigns. We're going to show you how to collect data using MailChimp, but you should be able to do it on a different email marketing platform by using the Sign-up Form Manager. So we're going to start from our MailChimp dashboard, and from there, we're going to click on the List tab. Now we are going to click on the drop-down menu corresponding to our main subscriber list, and we're going to click on the Sign Up Forms option. On the following page, we're going to click on the Select button corresponding to the Form Builder option. Now, what we'll do in this section is to add new types of data fields to the sign-up forms that we send to subscribers in this list and to subscribers added to segments within this list. Okay, so because we want to collect data that can help us to better segment our subscribers, we're going to add data fields that hint at a person's demographic information and possible financial profiling based on zip code. So the additional data fields that we're going to add are birthday, address, zip code, phone, and website. These are not required fields as we're not going to ask for them in all subsequent sign-up forms. What we will do with them instead is to use them for a different campaign where we can, for example, ask our subscribers to fill in an optional survey in exchange for a deep discount or a prize of their choosing. And that is it.